Hello beautiful people, let's make chicken and egg rice recipe. We have fresh boneless chicken breast here and we are going to dab it of any fluid as much as you can. Cut it into little chunks and transfer it into a bowl. And I'll add in chicken seasoning, chili pepper, onion powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, barbecue spice and salt. I'll also add in a tablespoon of olive oil and we're going to mix all this in together to be well incorporated. You can use any spice or seasoning available to you or those that appeals to you. We'll mix all this and we'll cover it and send it to the fridge for up to 3 hours or overnight if you have the time. And I have rice here. I'm going to parboil this rice. We'll add in water. If you're using basmati or any of such rice, you might not need to parboil it. And with the first sign of boiling, we're going to take it off the heat to stop cooking. We'll transfer it to a sieve and we'll keep washing this till the water runs clear. If you choose not to parboil your rice, that's still okay. You can also wash it with cold water or hot water till the water runs clear. Taking it off the heat as soon as it shows signs of boiling is as good as washing it with hot water. So whichever method you prefer is good. And now we'll cut the veggies we'll be using for this recipe. We'll cut the onions, the spring onions, the bell peppers. You can use any vegetable you like. It must not be restricted to this you're seeing in the video. And the green beans, I'll cut and discard both ends of the beans. We'll be blending some peppers to add spice and color. We'll grate this roughly and we'll break in the eggs. We'll mix it, stir it to combine properly, and we'll set all this aside. What we're basically doing now is to prep all our ingredients so that when it comes to the cooking proper, we'll just be mixing. And here is the chicken out from the fridge. I allowed it to stay on the counter for about 30 minutes to come to room temperature. And we're going to fry this. At first it's still pink, then it will turn to white till it gets to golden brown. We'll keep turning it from time to time. And we'll bring out the chicken. We'll add the onion. We're going to stir fry this for about a minute and we'll add in some parts of the spring onion and stir fry it. I'll bring in the pepper. This will add spice and color as well. Now we are bringing in the egg. We are going to stir this. This is a non-stick pan, by the way, so it's not going to stick. We'll scramble the egg. Now introduce chicken seasoning, ginger powder, garlic powder, curry powder, dry thyme leaves, salt, and we'll mix all this to combine. We are seasoning the rice and we'll bring in the rice. We'll mix it properly for all to be well combined. Now add in water. You can also add chicken stock if you have any. This is at the same level with the rice, and we'll add soy sauce. We'll mix all this in together. This is the best time to check for your salt and seasoning if it's in the right proportion. I always say that your seasoning and your salt should be proportional to the quantity of food you're cooking. If you're not sure, you add a little per time and adjust as you cook along. We'll cover the pot and cook till the water dries. Please keep an eye on it. And after 10 minutes, this is how it looks like. We are cooking on medium heat, and I'll bring in the veggies, the carrots, the bell peppers, the green beans, the spring onions, and we'll mix all this in properly. Now we're not covering the pot again, and the heat already in the pan will help cook the veggies. And we'll introduce back our chicken. Mix all this in. This is so tasty. At Glory Homemaker, we give you value for your time. I hope you try this and let me know how it came out for you. What do you think about this recipe? You can leave me a comment on what you think about this recipe or ask any questions, and I'll be right there in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.